Hello there, Cody here. Today I'm going to show you how to paint a candy shop rock. I suppose it could be a house too. I just saw it and thought, candy shop! That's just what came to my mind. So first thing you're going to want to do is find a triangle shaped rock and paint the entirety of it white. I didn't show that in the video just because, it's just me painting a rock white. Is pretty much all that is. So then once you're done with that, pick your base color that you want, your candy shop or house or whatever you want to call it. The main color that you want for that. Once you're done there, you're going to want to paint a little triangle off to the side to make part of the roof. And then take another color and do some roof lines, kind of, let's see here, along the triangle that you painted there and then up towards the top. Kind of like that. And then you're going to want to do a little circular white window up on top. Right there. A good way to do it if you don't have a little brush is just to use the ends of your paintbrush like I did. My little paintbrush finally lost all of its bristles, so I end up using a lot of the paintbrush ends and a little wooden tool I have for this one. So right here you're doing kind of a bubbly fringe sort of thing to make it look all whimsical and cute. And then a little rectangular white window, because you gotta have your display window for your candy shop, right? So I did that, and then right next to it you want to do a little door. And then I'm going to flip the rock around here in a second so you can see it better. There we go, just like that. See? A long rectangle for the display window and a tall one for the door. So you can kind of see what I did there. And then I took a darker color and decided to outline the windows a little bit. There we go. And then I did a little dot for the doorknob. And then I decided, since it was kind of a light color that I did the fringe with, I decided to outline it with a Sharpie to kind of make it stand out more. And then that's pretty much it. There you go. Have fun painting your candy shop or house or little cottage or whatever yours turns out to be. I hope you enjoyed. God bless you.